Hey YouTube, this is Lydia again with my Trying to Conceive vlog, video number 3. This is part 1, 5th day in my menstrual cycle. This is a re-record of one that I did earlier today. For some reason it doesn't want to upload. So let's get to it. First things first, I have a list of things that I wanted to go through today. My fertility monitor that I did purchase off of Amazon, and the test strips. Now I got both of them for $162 each. It is a little costly, but it's a lot cheaper than what I found at Walgreens. It's $200 at Walgreens for just the monitor itself. Now with the $162, I got the monitor itself, and I got one test strip just to see how it works out, like a test strip. And then a pack of 30 test strips apart. So that was a great price for me. Another thing I wanted to go over is Pre-Seed Fertility Friendly Intimate Moisturizer. It is a fertility friendly lubricant that you would have to apply it 15 minutes before intercourse. Now once you apply it, you have to lay on your back, and then after that you can do all of your baby dancing that you want. That is a great thing. My doctor did recommend that to me at one point in time, and then I decided to use it. We used it for a few cycles. It didn't work for us, but hopefully it will work for one of you guys out there. Also, in the past I have bought the First Response Easy Readout fertility ovulation kits. Those are pretty costly. At Walmart it is $17.97, so it's like 18 bucks altogether, just for a box of 7, versus these that you can get if you buy the monitor. You can get these in a box of 30 every time from Amazon for 30 bucks. So it like 30 or 35 bucks. So it evens itself out. It really depends. If you think that you're going to get pregnant within your first cycle, then I will use the other ones. If you see that you don't get pregnant with 1 or 2 cycles, then I strongly suggest the Clear Blue Easy Fertility Monitor. Now I'm going to leave a link of everything that I'm going through today, as far as these two, and for the Pre-Seed and the First Response Easy Readout Ovulation Test. Also, I have 2 books that I want to go over really quick. They are very, very good books. Let me flip this over. Sorry about that. Now, let's see if you guys can see these. First one is the Fertility Journal. It's a day-by-day guide to getting pregnant. And the second one is Fertility Facts. Now, hundreds of tips for getting pregnant. Now, the first one that I went over, which is the Fertility Journal, it gives you 12 months. What you do is, I'm going to open up one month like this. My first month, for instance, I started this. I didn't have this book that long, but I started this first one like this. So it gives you your checkup. I had my checkup and everything came back normal, so it just gives you questions, stuff that you want to ask your doctor, as well as your first entries. It's gonna say month 1, week 1, and you can see that. And then what happens here is it gives you your cycle day, and then the next one is any vitamins that are taken, and then your temperature. And then in this little area right here, you go and you write down what happened for that day. Now, since I started using the fertility monitor on the day that I started using this book, let me see. I just put on here, for example, I put on here, turn on the fertility monitor, set it as day 1 in my cycle. No testing is needed. Heavy period, painful cramps. That's just all. It's a little mental note for myself, and if I have any questions or anything like that, if I don't get pregnant within a year, I'll take it to my doctor, and I'll tell her, hey, I've been using this for a year, and I want to know what's going on. And I still haven't gotten pregnant. So that's a great thing to do, because you want to jot down everything. If not, you can also just do it on your own. Just get a regular notebook paper and do it. But this has a lot of questions on there. Same questions you can download from online. Also, the second book that I had went over is Fun Fertility Facts. Different fertility facts that that you might have questions of, that you are embarrassed to ask other people, or you need a better understanding. I read this book within a day, within like 2 or 3 hours from getting it. So I just sat down, and it's a page turner, and I'm gonna go back through and I'm gonna reread it, jot down my questions before, and then reread it again, because no matter how many times I read this book, I always learn something new. Any book, I always learn something new. That's why I always invest money in getting new books. These two are a must, and this is a must too. I mean, the books are from First Response, but the Clear Blue Easy, of course, is from Clear Blue. It's the fertility monitor. It's a different company, but they can work. They both work hand in hand. It doesn't have to be the same company. There's just some of the things that I did want to go over with you guys today. So I do apologize again. This is going to sound like I've been repeating stuff over and over, but I did have to re-record this because the last film, or the last mini vlog that I tried to post, didn't want to upload. So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed, and hopefully it does. And also, I do have some questions for some people out there. I wanted to post pictures at the end of my videos. If someone can please tell me how I can do that, so that way I can do that in the future, just so I can show you guys how the monitor works, and just so I can show you just different stuff. And if anybody can help me with it, I greatly appreciate it. And thank you for watching. There are more parts to come. I'm uploading them as of now, as of while I'm speaking. Alright, thank you.